And welcome back. So we had some sunshine once again for the day today, and that got temperatures up to around 103 degrees in North Platte. Then we had a thunderstorm form off to our south and to our east, so it pushed in a little bit of cooler air. So we have since fallen back into the mid-90s. Wind is south around 13 miles per hour, and it's a little breezy, gusting to 33. Here's a look at the temperatures around right now. Also at 94, Broken Bow, 93 at Ogallala, but 98 out toward Imperial. Now McCook, Thedford, even up toward Valentine, near 102 degrees right now. So that's where the warm spot is. Here's a look at the wind. Still pretty strong from a southerly direction. That's pumping in a lot of warm air. The wind speed's around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Some gusts closer to 30. And here's a look at the dew points. Once again, our eastern cities out toward Broken Bow and Lexington. This is oppressive level humidities when you see the dew points into the lower 70s. Even out toward Ogallala and Imperial, low to mid 60s. Pretty humid, especially in that climate out in that direction. So not only do we have the heat, we have the humidity too. Heat advisory in effect from Lincoln County and points off to the south and to the east. It will expire at 8 p.m. Central Time tonight. And also, we do have red flag warnings in effect. This is from Lincoln County and points off to the north and west. Now, this is a little unusual. The fire danger is so high, these red flag warnings are going to expire at 4 a.m. Central Time. So just be aware of that. They will last through most of the overnight. So most of us just have partly to mostly cloudy skies right now. There's that line of storms just entering our viewing area into the Sandhills. But we did have one strong storm, pea-sized hail and 50-mile-per-hour winds possible just off to the south and east of North Platte. This either could skirt the city or miss us just off to the east. So that one does have some lightning and some heavy rain. But other than that, we're looking pretty good. High pressure off to our south in charge, giving us that strong southerly flow. A little pocket of cool air is going to work its way in here as we go through midweek. But then we're back in a large warm sector again as we go through time. So there's a chance of some isolated thunderstorms tonight. And then we will start to really dry out, starting off tomorrow into the upper 60s. High temperatures tomorrow, not as warm, upper 80s east and mid 90s as you make your way out toward North Platte and just off to the west. And we should stay mainly dry for Thursday. Lots of sunshine and high temperatures should be into the low to mid 90s. So a break from the 100-degree weather. Here's that pocket of cool air working its way out to the east, but then another high-pressure system will develop to our south, giving us a lot of sunshine and a strong southerly wind with a frontal boundary to break the heat over the weekend and increase the chances of moisture. Here's your forecast for tonight. We do have partly to mostly cloudy skies, maybe an isolated thunderstorm with temperatures into the upper 60s to near 70 for lows. Then sunny skies, not as warm tomorrow. We should be into the low to mid 90s. That wind flips around a little more to a northerly direction. A little breezy with those wind speeds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Same thing for Thursday. Sunny skies, breezy and warm. We'll add a few degrees, getting us into the upper 90s for most of us for your Thursday. And then for the day on Friday, back to 101 with partly cloudy skies, and we'll increase the chances of some showers and thunderstorms, especially into the evening hours. Saturday has the best chance of that as we fall back into the mid 90s. Upper 80s on Sunday, still partly cloudy, slight chance of some showers and storms into the evening. 92 on Monday, and then 94 for the day on Tuesday with mostly sunny skies. Kent and Melanie?
So the heat continues. We're just hoping that possibility of rain tonight.
We are going to need jackets for a while.
We are not, yes.
No.
We're definitely not.
All right, thank you so much, Justin. And now from the Panhandle, where local fire departments are still battling the Carter Canyon fire. Currently being reported, the fire started initially by lightning in extremely dry conditions, is now at over 15,000 acres burned. Roughly 30% of the fire is considered contained per incident command. As the fire continues to rage, firefighters remain worried about more lightning and strong winds. Now, as of today, the Nebraska National Guard has a total of 9 soldiers and 2 helicopters in Scottsbluff assisting in fighting the wildfire in western Nebraska. 3 additional guardsmen were sent Tuesday, following 6 being deployed on Sunday to help contain the blaze.
And Chief Warrant Officer Thomas Powell, in charge of the 2 air crews, he said it was a quick turnaround getting guard members to the Panhandle. Warrant Officer Powell says he and his crew were told Sunday they were being called to help with the wildfire efforts.